We'll guide you through how to bend a paper in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Blender on your desktop and begin by preparing a clean workspace for the project. Press the A key to select all objects currently in the scene. Once everything is selected, press X and confirm the deletion so that all existing objects are removed. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Then navigate to the Mesh section. From the available mesh options, add a plane to the project. After adding the plane, resize it to any dimensions that suit your needs and the effect you want to create. When the plane is properly sized, press Tab to enter edit mode. While in edit mode, press 3 to switch to face select mode. After that, right-click on the plane and choose the subdivide option from the context menu. Once the subdivision is applied, locate the Subdivide Settings panel that appears at the bottom of the interface. In this panel, find the number of cut setting and change its value to 9. This will create additional geometry on the plane, allowing it to bend more smoothly later. When you have finished adjusting the subdivision settings, press Tab again to return to object mode. Now move to the side panel and locate the Modifiers section. Click Add Modifier and look for the Deform category. From the available Deform modifiers, choose Simple Deform. In the Modifier panel, set the deformation type to Bend. Next, press Shift+A once more and go to the Empty section. Add an arrow empty object to the scene. After creating the arrow, return to the Simple Deform modifier panel on the plane. Find the Origin field and set the arrow object as the origin for the modifier. With the origin assigned, select the arrow object in the scene and use the rotation tool to control the bending effect applied to the plane. Additionally, you may select different axis options in the modifier panel to control how the paper bends and achieve the desired result precisely and more effectively overall.